If you've ever fancied getting involved in a bit of 3D printing, then today could be your lucky day. As in this week's competition, we're giving away a Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer. It's worth over £1,300 and it's really easy to use high-performance desktop 3D printer, which is perfect for home users, makers, designers, engineers, architects, and in fact anyone looking for an easy-to-use desktop 3D printer. Although the Lulzbot has been designed with ease of use in mind, it still boasts flexible industrial strength, so don't be fooled. The level of detail this printer will give is really quite something. Just check out the Rocktopus we printed earlier in just a couple of hours. And all you have to do to be in with a chance of winning the Lulzbot Mini 2 and entering the world of 3D printing is click the link below for your free entry. Good luck!